Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, February 20th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. We got a lot to get to with the headlines as we kick off another work week, and the groundhog continues to be right. Week number 3, more snow to talk about. Let's take a look at the forecast because it's kind of crazy. So maybe we're going to dodge a bullet here. Maybe we're not. That's kind of the sum up I have on this. But here's what the National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan is saying. Lots to talk about this morning regarding the winter storm potential. First off, don't be surprised if you see a few rain and snow showers this evening as a front moves through. They won't amount to much. More impactful weather starts Tuesday night when a band of snow is expected to push into central Wisconsin. This will mainly affect the areas north of I-94, with the chances for higher totals increasing towards central Wisconsin. Look for this snow to persist into Wednesday morning. Things really get interesting Wednesday afternoon when a complex of mix of rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow looks like it will impact the region. This will last through Thursday night. While it is too early to talk about amounts, generally speaking, it looks like locations north of I-94 or US 18 will have the best chances for seeing more snow, while locations further south, especially near the state line, have a better chance of seeing more freezing rain and sleet. Between these two areas, all of the above is possible, which is right where we land in this one. It's a very complex event, and we're in a degree of two of what will make all the difference with precip types. Some locations may see multiple precip types, maybe all within the hour. It could change. So in the same hour. Needless to say, keep up with the forecast because it is going to be a messy one out there. Again, kind of hard to say where it's going to be in timing wise, but otherwise, we're just going to keep you up to date each day here as we do our headlines for you in the morning. But check back to the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan, for more information. The good news for the spring primary election tomorrow, the weather looks like it's going to hold out, at least in our area. Other areas, not so much, but that will play out in those areas. Spring election information for your primary tomorrow. Here it is. The spring primary is slated for February 21st. Election hours are 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's when your polls are open. As far as location goes, District Number 1, you're voting at the Catholic Multicultural Center, 5256 Verona Road. District 2, you're at the Wyndham Garden Hotel, 2969 Cahill, Maine. In District 3, you're in the Community Center at 5510 Lacey Road, right next to us here at City Hall. District 3, also the other section of District 3 is voting at the Doxa Church, 2700 Novation Parkway. In District Number 4, you're at Station Number 1. That's Fire Station Number 1, 5791 Lacey Road. No changes this year to the election locations, at least for this spring primary and spring election. Otherwise, if you got any questions on the election for tomorrow, you can check our elections page through our clerk's departments right there on the homepage for you under elections. Also tomorrow, the library will be closed for maintenance. Fitchburg Public Library is closed as they get their new shelving units in. So library will be closed all day tomorrow, February 21st. It will reopen in its normal business hours on Wednesday, February 22nd. Rural Fitchburg listening session is happening this week. The Ag and Rural Affairs Committee will be hosting their annual listening session meeting on February 21st at 4 p.m. at the Fort Wynn Farms, which is located at 5735 Adams Road in Fitchburg. You'll have an opportunity to share your feedback or any issues that are affecting you, plus get updates from different city staff that will be on hand. We'll share information and answer questions. We'll have this for you live here on our Gov Channel F1 through Fact TV, and you can attend virtually if you'd like to speak virtually. You can sign up through the website. Police District Community Meeting is also coming up this week on the 22nd. Fitchburg Police Department will host their public information meeting at the West District on Wednesday, February 22nd from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at Redeemer City Church, 5356 King James Way, and you can come out there. We'll have coverage of that as well. We'll bring you some of that back here on Talking Fitchburg. And finally, the 2022 Holiday Light Tour winner shows up and gets his prizes from the Fitchburg Chamber. Congratulations to Tim and Julie on Hollyhock Street for being our big winner this year.